Well, it's time for another Wade whole house cleaning. And how many of you remember this very seldom used Hoover Turbo Power 5000? I know we got a couple of fans out there. So I have a HEPA S bag. Let's go ahead and do the before measurement. This one's going to be kind of weird to get folded up so it doesn't like expand all over the place. So this might be a little odd. It definitely might be odd. Okay, don't move. Okay. Alright, it's going to have to sit like that. So, oh good. You can see we are at 58.55 grams with, I think I've used this once or twice for some minor tests, and it's blown out. It's really, really clean on the inside. There's hardly anything in there. So 58.55 grams. Let's do a whole house cleaning, and since the power nozzle will get underneath pretty much everything, it's going to be a 1,200 square foot house cleaning number. The bristles in here are actually pretty harsh, but they're short. So let's see what happens. Back soon with the results. And just like magic, we finished cleaning everything, a full 1,200 square feet with this Hoover Turbo Power. So just wanted to show you the brush roll here. The bristles are somewhat short and they're actually pretty stiff. They're not razor sharp, but they're fairly harsh. They really are. When this thing is spinning, it hurts to put your hand on it. And as you can see, I got a lot of my wife's hair that's wrapped around here because her hair is over 2 feet long at the moment. Very long. So let's get the weighing here from the HEPA S bag. We started out at 58.55. Now if I can manage to squeeze this thing back together again. Definitely awkward to do that. Try to make it so it doesn't unfold. Make sure it's not touching anything. It shouldn't be touching. Okay, so here's the results. Yep, not touching anything. 66.6. Well, it's a lot of sixes. 0.6 something. Let's see, it'll stabilize at, alright, I'll say 66.6, oh, change the 8. We'll say 66.68. Give it the benefit of the doubt. And then we will subtract 58.55, and we get 8.13 grams, and I think that's actually pretty decent for a canister. You do have to subtract 20% because I was able to go under literally everything. I could go underneath every kind of table I had, underneath all the beds, you name it. Small nozzle like this fits under everything. So I think that's a pretty decent result, especially when you consider this isn't a $1,000 canister, doesn't have outrageous airflow and suction or anything like that. And this model, if I'm remembering right, is from 2003. I got it from my neighbor as they were actually exiting the community, thinking like in 2016. And the big thing that gets me with this is I spent $120 refurbishing this thing because I wanted to have some fun with it. So it's got like some needle bearings in the motor and various other parts I had to get. And even though I was given the vacuum for free, by the time I was done replacing a whole bunch of parts here and here, I had $120 into this thing. And this is something that you actually find in a thrift store, if you see one in a thrift store, for like, say, maybe 20 bucks, because it's good 15, 16, 17 years old or so. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. And you know, I think we could do now baking soda and sand pickup with this now. So maybe stay tuned for those pretty soon. Thanks for watching.